Number 77, Miss Rhoda is taking us through an awesome journey for bobbing for apples, a jig. And so a jig is like an Irish fiddle that is peppy. So we're in 6/8. We have G major. We should be getting pretty close to keeping that in our fingers on that the A and the E, those two. But let's look at our map. In addition to our 6/8, we have a repeat at the end of the second line. And then right above that, I say fine. So it says, it looks like fine, but it's pronounced fine. And so that gives me a clue to look at the end of the piece. At the end, it says DC el fine. So that DC is di capa, which means the top, the hat. And so you go back up to the top and then you end at fine. So you play line 1, line 2, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 1, line 2. So it's a longer piece than what it says. Let's pluck through the whole thing without the repeat and without the DCL fine. I just want our fingers to get used to it. Let's do it a little bit on the slow side. My tongue might get a little bit tongue-tied. So let's give it a go. So we're starting with the sixth beat in the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D, G, A, B, C, B, G, 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 B, A, G, F, G, F, E, F, D, 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 G, A, B, low 2, B, G, 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 D, B, A, G, F, G, B, A, G, continue on. G, G, D, D, A, D, D, B, D, G, B, A, G, F, D, D, G, D, G, F, A, F, D, D, B, D, D, A, D, D, B, D, A, B, D, G, B, A, G, F, G, B, A, G. Okay, so we do have some ups in here. This is really common for Irish fiddles because we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a little bit more hooked bowing. So let's do that just a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, A, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now let's play all of number 77 with the repeat and the DCL fine. Oh, that's right. You do not do the repeat on a DCL fine unless it says so. And I've only seen it like once or twice in my life. So watch out for where you can leave your fingers down to get around your arpeggios, and take it nice and slowly. Slow this video down and then practice speeding it up with a metronome, and reduce how much you have to move your fingers. Don't lift them up. If you're looking for speed, keep your fingers next to the strings and keep small bows. But let's just learn it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Up again. 4. Beginning. 5. we go from 3 to 3, like 3 on the D string to 3 on the A string, don't worry about hurrying up and trying to skip that. So that's in the third line. So we don't have to just roll over. We have time to lift. It's super fast. No one's gonna notice anything weird in there. And practice those arpeggios, and they'll get super comfy with you. Good luck.